Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a basque dress with a rushed skirt. A basque dress with a rushed skirt. For this tutorial, you'll be needing your drafting paper, the paper you are going to use to draft this style, tailor's chalk, fabric, tape, as well as your scissors. Fold your paper into two. Draft a basic gown bodice. From the neckline, measure 2 inches and mark it. Then we draw it to meet the armhole. Place your curve ruler from the waist to the end of the hem line. Mark it out. You will have something like this. Draft the back bodice. Cut it out to achieve something like this. Use slash and spread method. Place it on another paper. Slash through the lines, leaving at least ½ inch. You have a new pattern which you can trace out. Cut it out. Pleat or gather it and attach to the gown bodice. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.